What's going on, y'all? We are back again with Sunshine State Channel. Got a lot to do today. We got to do some transplanting. We may actually redo this whole setup here. We debating it. Because as you see, these tomatoes are getting crazy. Look at the tomatoes. Tomatoes looking real good. This one right here got tomatoes growing. But you see the heads right there. The yellow heads growing. Oh, there go the tomato right there. Let's see if I can get on the camera. Got a tomato growing here. Oh, look how big these tomatoes done got. Boy. And this is just a start. You still got other shoots growing, so we may have to put this in a good 5-gallon, 10-gallon pot. Lemon balm looking good, but it's about time for that to go. We definitely got to transplant this. We still got this in the pot. You see we got one dying, so we got to do something with that. We got a lot of stuff to do. So we're gonna make some dirt. We're gonna show y'all how we mix up the dirt. As you see, we got a lot to do today. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna set the camera up so y'all can see the whole process fast. Stay tuned. Y'all go ahead and enjoy y'all a nice cup of coffee. Hope y'all indulge in the morning and garden with us. All right, y'all. Start getting everything situated. We got the soil, we got the boo-boo, we got worm castings, we got gloves. These gloves also, we got to rinse these on out. We're gonna start getting the dirt ready, show y'all the whole setup so we can get these plants in new pots. That way we can save them because they are growing out of control and the sun is drying out the dirt. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get these gloves cleaned up decent. Just drop them in some water for now, then let the sun get them good. Whatever excess dirt that was in there from before. No, not too serious. See, they already looking good. That's a good thing. All right, so we got the gloves good. Probably make the dirt now. All right, y'all, we done washing the gloves. Now I'm finna take this box and we finna go get those small plants and bring them over here. Everything that needs to be transplanted. So we finna get like the mint, sunflower, lemon balm, anything small. We finna bring it over here so we can go ahead and get this dirt ready. Get these pots ready, go ahead and put them in some proper pots, and just show you the whole process. We're about to go ahead and get these small plants. All right, we got the sweet mint, we got the lemon balm, needs to be rosemary, needs to be I keep forgetting what this is, but that needs to be transplanted. This is the spearmint, needs to be transplanted. Sunflower here transplanted. So we'll grab these, bring these on back. Okay. All right, finna go get these 10-gallon pots so we can mix up this dirt. All right. Nice 10-gallon fabric pot. It's gonna be our mixing pot for right now. All right, let's fill this on up.
All of it, right?
Yeah, all of it.
We should get the other bag. He said we could.
That's low, that's low.
Can we get some water?
Pumps up if you can. As long as it stays warm. That look good. All right. That look good. We can start. Y'all see that dirt? Good and mixed up. And these bad babies finna have them a new home. Let's go ahead and get ready. We'll go ahead and get this transplant process started. You see we got mint, we got the marigold, we got mint, sunflower, lemon balm, and rosemary, all going in 2-gallon pots. So let's go get these pots. All right, y'all, we're finna go and get these pots filled up. We're going to bring these over here so we can get these filled up. Got some nice 2-gallon pots. We're going to put these in. You got me good over there? Fill them halfway. Crush that dirt up just like that. All right, y'all, we're going to have to get more dirt, so let's go ahead and open this bag up. All right, we got this dirt together. Now you're finna mix it up and go ahead and pour it up. All right, finna get ready to pour these in the dirt, in the pot, and get them ready. All right, we got these bad babies transplanted. Ben just did the sunflower, looking pretty. We got the sweet mint, we got the rosemary, we got the marigold, we got the spearmint, and the lemon balm. Gonna put some water in here, and that'll be it. Let them do what they do. All right, y'all. Y'all tune in, see an update on everything. Trust me, we're trying to get more footage of everything separate. That way, you know, we can show y'all the pretty features. Y'all tune in, subscribe, like, so y'all can stay posted. And let me show y'all these tomatoes. I don't know if I showed y'all earlier, but look at these big babies. Yeah, I remember these. How big they
get.
get.
Show them this big one that's coming in right here?
I couldn't find it. Where is it? Oh, look at that
two
one.
of them.
Where is it? Let me get on the camera. I can't see.
Right here, there's one right here.
Oh, yep.
There's one right there. And then on this one right here, we have two.
Yeah, I showed this. I showed the shoots on this one on the other. Oh, I ain't see them though. All right, y'all. We got to go because I ain't going to be able to do nothing with this footage if it's too long. All right, y'all.